Maria, Maria, you remind me of a West Side Story. Santana. Maria's bird watching and spots a bird in the air. Hi, Maria. Oh, the angle of elevation created by her line of sight and a line parallel to the ground is given as theta. So if you're like, this is the line of sight, her eyeball hitting the bird, okay, and as you can tell, and I'm not going to write it out, that's parallel to the ground, okay, you are going to be called theta. If tan theta equals 4/3, so tan theta equals 4/3, what is the slope of her line of sight? You ready to get out your calculator? Don't be. You don't need it. Tangent, by definition, means slope. When you get to calculus, one of the first things that you will learn is tangent means slope of a line at a point. Okay, so when it says the tangent is 4/3, that is the exact same thing as saying the slope is 4/3. So the slope of her line of sight is 4/3. And you're thinking, no way. There's no way this problem is as easy as saying tangent's 4/3, slope is 4/3. Yes, it's exactly that easy. Tangent means slope. Tangent means the change in the y values over the change in the x values. So this problem is done. No calculator necessary. That is it. Hope it helps.